I listen to the wind of my soul. Where I'll end up, well, I think only God really knows.
Down the road a little ways, that's looking into Portola Springs, down towards Lake Forest.
Allen County Fire Department's on scene right now. We're trying to battle this fire with helicopter.
The Lake Forest, Portola Hill, clear shot up through the hillside. This is a Foothill Ranch, and then upward, that looks like a reservoir of some type right there.
I listen to my words, but they fall far below. I let my music take me where my heart wants to go. I swam.
Carrot breaking. Not anybody can break a carrot, but like a SCART person can. That's right. Carrots and apples and all this stuff. Yeah. Good. This is lunch today. We've all turned into vegetarians.
No, never, never, never.